In the video today, we are going to show you some great websites that you can start using to make easy money on a daily basis, and the unique part of it is that most of these websites require no money and experience to start. Before we get started, kindly remember to hit the like button and subscribe button so that you'll always be informed when a new video is uploaded. Let's head there without taking too much time.
Number 1 is making money online by taking surveys. How does that sound? How does taking surveys for money online rank first? There are many businesses that encourage you to complete surveys, but in the end, you only earn a few dollars. I advise using the Google survey websites instead because they are a huge organization with a solid reputation and will honor their promise to pay you for completing the surveys. They pay people to do their extremely brief surveys, which last only a few seconds. Simply download the app on your smartphone, answer a few simple questions about yourself, and start receiving notifications whenever a survey is available for you to take. Your money will then start to roll into the account that you set up with them. You can do this while at work, during downtime, while eating, watching movies, playing with the kids at home, or while lying down to rest. It is clear that this is a side business and a quick way to earn some money rather than your primary job. Number 2 is Secret Shopper website. Another way to earn money on Secret Shopper is to sign up for the website. From there, you can start earning extra money by doing things like eating and shopping. You can also work as an independent contractor, which gives you complete control over whether you accept or reject assignments as they become available. They have assignments available across the United States and Canada, and all you need to do to get started is to sign up for the website. As a secret shopper, you can start making up to $25 per hour. This is another side business that is simple to start. Number 3, also on the same shopping website, is another technique that you can join up and get paid for enjoying life. The job of a mystery shopper is simple. Walk into a store, restaurant, movie theater, or wherever and pretend to be a normal customer. In the meantime, you're taking notes and producing a report which is then sent back to a third-party firm such as Market Forces. Now the pay can vary based on the difficulty of the task, as well as the store that you are shopping. That money sure is great. You will be making up to $25 an hour. Number 5 way you can make money with your phone is with Electric Scooters app. People may essentially rent scooters from this revolutionary scooter rental firm and use them to get around. However, if you're looking for a flexible approach to making money, it's much more than that. The first one is as a scooter charger, which is a really straightforward job. You'll check the Lime app as you go around town in your car, van, truck, or even on foot, spotting scooters that need to be charged. You're going to store them in your vehicle or bring them home to charge overnight. You return the scooters to where you found them the following morning, and you are immediately rewarded. Number 6 is by working as a freelancer and with Upwork services, which let you submit proposals to clients who are looking for a service you might be able to provide. A fantastic option to work as a freelancer is through marketplaces like Upwork and Fiverr. People from all over the world visit the website to find qualified freelancers and opportunities, and anyone can run this business from anywhere in the world. These online communities connect people with a wide range of skill sets with paying customers. No longer is geography a barrier to accessing high-caliber employment and specialists. A freelancer can earn well-paying employment in the following fields: writing, copywriting, content marketing, report writing, website design, photography, videography, social media management and community management, virtual assistant, and graphic design. Thank you for viewing, and please subscribe and follow us for updates on our upcoming educational videos. Until next time, goodbye.